So I'll be showing you how to record time-lapse videos and even hyperlapse videos on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now I'm using the S24 Ultra for this tutorial, but this works on the entire S24 lineup. So the first thing you want to do is simply launch the camera app, and then in photo modes you want to scroll to more, and in the more menu tap on hyperlapse. Now hyperlapse takes care of both time-lapse and hyperlapse. And that's mainly because when the phone is stationary and it's on a tripod or something, then that's a time-lapse. And then when the phone is moving, it's a hyperlapse. But all of them are under the same name. And so here's your hyperlapse video. Okay, so a couple of things you can change. One is you can go into settings and change a few things, especially grid lines, which is important because of the positioning of your camera. And then you have the resolution. We have full HD and ultra HD, which is 4K and 1080p respectively. So that's 1080p and ultra HD is 4K. And then the other thing you can change is the amount of time it should take to take the time lapse. So you can take a 10-minute time lapse or hyperlapse, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes, or even 300 minutes. Now this one tops out at 180 for Ultra HD. And then you have the intervals between which each photo or each frame will be taken. So you can set it to auto, and the phone will automatically choose the best for a certain scenario. Or you can change it yourself. So these ones with the moon are for night mode mostly. And then you have these ones for daytime. But I prefer to leave it on auto. Now one thing you want to do before you take a time lapse or a hyperlapse is to lock focus and exposure. So what you want to do is tap on your screen to see this, and then long press, and when it turns yellow and that padlock icon appears there, it means exposure and focus has been locked, so that this will prevent things moving across the frame from changing the focus or the exposure and making a time lapse look weird. Now after setting all that up, if you're recording a time lapse, then you might want to set your phone on a tripod. If you're having a hyperlapse, then you need to hold it and move the way you want to move. And simply tap on the start button, and that should start taking your time lapse or hyperlapse, depending on if you're moving or not. And when you're done, just tap on stop. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Now I'll also leave a couple of examples of time-lapse and hyperlapse videos so you can check them out for yourself. But until then, thanks for watching and good luck.